Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project sharing with you guys the Memorydex cards that I created using the Hey Pumpkin collection. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I said that I was going to start working on Hey Pumpkin. So I've already made these super cute little circle embellishments. And of course, I had to make some Memorydex cards. I did do these off camera because you guys know that it takes some time for me to put these together, but I absolutely love the way they turned out. And this is the first one. Tons of layers, you guys. We have stitched cards in the back, we have tulle, we have some of that regular beige cheesecloth, we have wooden veneers, chipboard, ribbon, tons and tons of layers. The card itself is stitched, and then I have my label in the back. So this is the first one. Here's the next one, which is another little chunky, propped up on tons of foam. We have wood veneers, we have the little tickets, the little ghosty sticking out, cute little pumpkin, super cute. Another little ribbon coming out of the tag, and then that is the back. So I made the back black on all of them. So it's 2 layers of paper that make the vellum card, not the vellum card, the actual Memorydex card. These are chipboard pieces. I love using googly eyes, kind of like an enamel dot. And we have this one. I stitched all over the bat. So cute. So a bunch of little pieces. Same thing, we have some tulle. I didn't put any cheesecloth on this one, I think. No. Just layers on layers. I love the little peeking ghosts. And then the last one, you guys, is this one right here. This one is my daughter's favorite. She loves that I put the googly eyes on the word boo. This one has tulle as well, and tons of layers, cheesecloth. And that is the back, and it's using all the papers of the collection, neon orange stitching. But yeah, you guys, those are my Hey Pumpkin Memorydex cards as of now. I will be making some more, and these are up for sale. So if you're interested, definitely shoot me an email. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.